so cold, so bleak. Will it ever be warm again?
Hello and welcome to the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. If you feel trapped in a frozen hell that's sure to drag on for months, we have a lovely libation for you. To make it, all you do is combine 2 ounces of maple bourbon, 1/2 ounce blackberry liqueur, 1/2 ounce fresh lime juice, 2 dashes of molasses bitters, and 2 dashes of ginger bitters. Shake with ice and strain into a cocktail glass. Spring may be a long way off,
but after a few of these, you won't care.
Thank you for visiting the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. Be sure and join us on Friday this week for another of our Liquored Up live broadcasts, 7 p.m. Eastern on Facebook. It's always happy hour at the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen.
See you soon!